What is your English level right now? Let's find out. I'm going to ask you 18 questions. Keep track of how many you answer correctly, and at the end of this video, you'll know your English CFR level. Let's get started.
A1, question 1. She to read books every day. It should be B, likes. She likes to read books every day. Number 2, I have 2 and 1 brother. Which answer is correct? It should be D, sisters. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. And number 3, I can't see very well. Have you seen my... What should it be? It should be C, glasses. Okay, if you passed those 3 questions, it's likely you have an A1 level, but let's test for A2. 1, my mum is than my dad. It should be B, taller. My mum is taller than my dad. Number 2, if you study, you, the test. What should it be? It should be A, will pass. If you study, you will pass the test. And number 3, which of these sentences is correct? I'll give you a bit of extra time here. It should be C, they want to go with us. Did you get everything right? If so, it's likely you have an A2 level. Let's move on to the intermediate levels. Firstly, B1. Number 1, Jared, early in the afternoon. Which one's correct? It should be B, will be arriving. Jared will be arriving early in the afternoon. Let's try number 2. Which question was most likely asked based on this response? I have never been to Paris. Here are the options. Which question was it? It should be D. Have you ever been to Paris? And 3. Report this sentence correctly. I have to work tomorrow. Which one should it be? It should be D. He said he had to work the following day. Did you get all of those right? If so, it's likely that you have a B1 level. Okay, let's try B2, upper intermediate. This is where it starts to get really challenging. Number 1, he have said that to you, but at least he apologized. Which should it be? It should be B, shouldn't. He shouldn't have said that to you, but at least he apologized. 2, choose the relative clause in this sentence here. It should be B, who moved to the country 3 years ago. And number 3, choose the correct sentence out of these 4. It's A. If you had learned the lyrics, you would be singing in the choir. Did you get all of them right? If so, it's likely you have a B2 level